Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. And today we are gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich. This is not yes, this is kind of a tutorial, but I'm gonna talk about sandwich today. So yes, so let's get into it. So you're wondering why is there milk? Well, because I'm gonna tell you it's sauce. Now, yes, I'm gonna talk about sandwich today. So yes, and of course we need the infamous mini griller. So because, like always, this is the first time on this channel that I've used this griller. So yes, let's get into it. So first of all, we have to open this. So let's do this, guys. Sorry about this. This is my mom wants this. So yes, and so yes, we need this milk to get a sauce. And look at this. I already have this bread and So yes, this is a great question. Is a hot dog a sandwich? Well, the short answer is no. A sandwich, a hot dog is all itself. It's its own thing because there's no cheese, because it's supposed to have two buns. It only has just one. And sandwich has sometimes meat. And I think that's what I know. Okay, I'm gonna grind this up. This is gonna be a hard one while I'm making this sandwich. I have to talk about sandwiches. So yes. Okay, guys. So look at this. It's not proper because I don't have that much cheese. Yesterday I wanted to eat the sausage sauce and sandwich. You can check it out. So yeah, I have some cheese. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put this. Oh, surprisingly, it's great. Look at that. Okay, it's gonna be hard to flip. Oh, this is a perfect grilled sandwich. Okay, so yes, it's time to do this. It's gonna be hard and no protein. And yes, there's no protein in this. So yes, it's okay. Let's just plug it in. Okay. Get this grilled sandwich in grilled cheese, and okay, there it is. And the spatula, and just do this. And I don't know how they do this, how they make this. This is my first time making a grilled sandwich. The sauce is gonna be last, but it's great. We'll just do sandwiches, and look at this. The last one that I made hot chocolate. Okay, that was a fail. And this is my fourth video. And if you want to know how to vote on to vote on what channel name am I gonna pick, well, look at the comments, drop a like, and whoever reply gets the most like, I'll change channel name. Okay, guys. Okay, look at this. Who plays Roblox nowadays? Like RB Battles does. Like they're a Roblox YouTuber, but it's okay. But who plays Roblox? I only play Piggy, Among Us nowadays. I mean, Roblox is not bad, but it's now boring because I played it too much. I have an account, but I don't play it in that account anymore. So yes, look at the bottom. Is it good? Is it good, guys? It's hot. Not doing that again, guys. I'm just gonna cut. The grilled cheese is almost done. Let's see the bottom. Oh, yeah. Let's flip it. Okay. And not that really, but let's just pat it a little bit. Let's do another update. Okay, so bye, guys. It's stuck. Oh, okay, guys. Guys, it's ready. This one is ready. Okay. It's ready enough. Okay. Yes. I'm sweating, so yes. Crispy. And then it's time to pour the milk in here. Okay, let's just do this. I don't know how can I do this. So guys, I'm gonna pour the milk here. Here we go. This is heavy. Okay, it's done. We get a spoon and then let's just mix it a little bit. And then yes, mix it a little bit. Mix it a little bit. And now let's get it into the microwave, which is here. You know the video, which is 32 to 38 minutes. That's the one. So let's do this. Okay, 150 as always. Look at this. 30, 29, 28, 27, 36, 29, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, look at this. This is the sauce. You can put this in spaghetti if you don't like bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese, and look at. And let me mix it a little bit. Look at that. Hey, hello, that's my sister. And look at this. Ooh, look at that. drip. Okay, a bit more. Yeah, it's not that much. Sorry, guys. Okay, look at that. And now, let's eat it. Let's eat it. Let's eat it. Let's eat this grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, this grilled cheese sandwich. Which, yeah, this is my first time, so let's just test it. Test it. Look at that. 3, 2. Oh, okay, we're not eating that. It's cheesy.
Cheesy. When so cheesy. So good, when you're a good cooker.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let me eat this infamous grilled cheese sandwich. And maybe then next week we could get cultural Indonesian noodles, which the company called Indomie. Okay, guys, I'll see you when I am done with this grilled cheese sandwich. Yes, guys, I am already done eating my grilled cheese. Yes, I keep fish. This has nothing in it. I'm planning keeping crayfish. This has coffee fish, but it's okay. So, guys, I finished eating my grilled cheese. That was delicious. So yeah, now let's get some facts of grilled of the sandwiches. So a pizza is a flat sandwich, and a hot dog is not a sandwich. A hot dog is a hot dog. So yes, a hot dog is not a sandwich, but a hot dog. But fun fact, a taco burrito and a burrito is a sandwich, and also a burger is a sandwich. 10%. My phone is at my camera is at 10%. So yes. So yes, a sandwich. Yeah. So yes, a sandwich has meat and vegetables and two breads or two buns or a tortilla. Yes, a tortilla. So yeah, why isn't a hot dog a sandwich? Because it's made out of bread, which is a hot dog is a bun. The hot dog has a bun, which is a bread, and to clarify, it's a sandwich. It has to have two buns. Now, a sandwich can have two or one tortilla, but they have to have two buns. So, yeah, that's it. So yeah, two buns, and two buns means one or two meats, because a Big Mac has multiple buns and multiple meat. Like any number of meat and vegetables. What is she doing to herself? Is she hungry or what? So yeah, a bread is so yes, 2 breads, one tortilla. So yes, that's it. What it is, and and also that is what a sandwich. So yeah, I don't know, but a hot dog isn't a sandwich. A sandwich. That's clarified. A grilled cheese is a sandwich. Don't forget that sandwich needs also can have cheese. So yes, a grilled cheese is a sandwich, just like we cook. So this is you can have you can put any meat you want: fish meat, chicken meat, goat meat, pig meat, whatever you want. You can even put steak in it if you want to invent a sandwich. So yeah, this is what this. So look at this. So yeah, look at this. You can make a shrimp sandwich or a crayfish sandwich. Yes, a crayfish sandwich. If you could cook a crayfish. So yeah, that's what the sandwich is. So and a peanut butter and jelly sandwich is a sandwich because it has 2 breads, not 1. Whoa. Well, hey, well, yeah. Well, I'm too confused. Okay, yeah, not a bun. Okay, so yeah, a flat. You can make a pizza, which is going to have a dough, and then you have to make the crust, the sauce, and all the meat that you can have, or just cheese, and you can have a little chores. That's what is it? There's the babies. Sorry, the babies. These are the dogs. And also, if you want to, now yes, okay, this is gonna be a little bit funny, but you can vote who is gonna be the president of this. It has to be a better. You want this guy or this guy to be the president of the layers, I guess. Okay, I'll stop. So yes, bye. So bye, guys. I'll see you in the next time. Peace out. Okay, bye.